Imagine enjoying fresh fruits and veggies all year long. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, I'm sharing top tips to make sure your garden thrives, no matter the season. Let's get started. First things first, choose the right crops for each season. Warm weather plants like tomatoes and cucumbers thrive in summer, while cold-loving veggies like spinach and kale do best in the cooler months. Use a planting calendar to guide your choices. For winter, go for crops like carrots, radishes, and broccoli. And for summer, consider zucchini, beans, and melons. Tip 2. Extend your growing season with greenhouses or hoop tunnels. These simple structures can protect your plants from extreme weather and allow you to grow crops well beyond their usual seasons. Great for frost-sensitive plants like peppers or greens like lettuce and spinach. Tip 3. Containers offer incredible flexibility. You can easily move plants indoors during colder months or to sunnier spots as needed. Plus, container gardening is perfect for small spaces like balconies or patios. Tip 4. Let your garden work for you with perennials. Plants like asparagus, rhubarb, and berry bushes come back year after year with minimal effort, giving you a steady harvest. Once established, they'll keep giving you fresh produce season after season. Tip 5. Healthy soil equals a productive garden, and composting is key. Use kitchen scraps, garden clippings, and leaves to create nutrient-rich compost. This not only nourishes your plants, but also helps reduce waste. It's a win-win. Don't let winter slow you down. Indoor gardening with grow lights is a great way to grow small crops like microgreens, herbs, and even cherry tomatoes. Place your plants near a sunny window or use LED grow lights to mimic sunlight. And that's it, your ultimate guide to growing fruits and veggies all year round. With these tips, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce no matter the season. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to discover agriculture for more gardening and farming tips. Until next time, happy gardening!